Abby, the first time we've met, alam ko crush mo na ako nun. Pero patay mali siya lang ako nun. You have been the best friend, my mentor, my lover, my partner in crime, my savior, my kontrabida, you're also my yaya, my kusinera, my labandera, and my greatest challenge. But most importantly, you are the love of my life.
Wow! Is this for me? Wow! Thank you. Open ka na? Hi, Mahal. This is the day we've been waiting for. You're the only person who knows me better than me. And yet you still managed to love me for who I am. We've been through a lot of ups and downs, and yet we managed to be together. Thank you for everything you did for me. How do I get through one night without you? If I have to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh. Love, John Arizala Hizon. Sweet.
It's a what? It's a watch.
Wow! It's a watch!
Wow!
This gift will surely encourage you to always give me a ring. I love you so much. See you later, Abby. See? That's what mommy said to me. Thank you. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. I love you.
To my best friend, my best enemy, my advisor, my work buddy, my food trip partner, my travel companion, and most of all, my ever-loving boyfriend. The day has come to officially call you mine. The day has come to officially say yes. Hey, I'm John's wife. Mahal, on this day, I promise forever. Kanta yun, di mo alam yun. But seriously, alam mo naman na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita na pati sarili ko, nakalimutan ko na. Every day before I sleep, I will look at you. Kasi lagi ka na una makatulog. Hindi mo namamalayan. Hinahalikan kita sa noo, sa buhok, sa likod, sa arms. Palagi ko sinasabi na sa tuwing gumigising ako, sana ikaw pa din yung kasama ko pag mulat ng mata ko. Mula sa araw na to, hindi na ako mahihiyang pakilala yung sarili ko. Namisis ako ni John. Eto, asawa na ako ni John. Sa inyo umikot ang mundo ko at sa inyo lang to ulit paikot-ikot. I love you so much and I'm proud to be your wife.